Hi, my name is Soeb Golam, and I will be analyzing a research paper as part of my Coursework 1 for research method module. The paper is research visualizations of sensor data from animal movement, and here are the authors. It has been carried out by Swansea University in Wales. This paper introduces to the data visualizations of animal movement collected from sensors, and the data collected and visualized can help users understand the behavior of animals, such as how animals move in their environment, how they interact with other animals, and how they respond to environment changes. In the implementation phase, we first need to collect the data of the animals that are moving through various sensors, such as triaxial accelerometers attached to the animals, GPS tracking, and satellite telemetry. To extract meaningful data from the raw data collected, we will need to process the data, so we can filter out some of the noises, errors, and inaccurate data. After that, data transformation is carried out for visualization to get time series, scatter plots, and maps. Afterwards, various tools could be used, such as Python, MATLAB, and Google Earth, to better visualize the real-time data based on different parameters and different aspects. For related work, the author could not find previous papers, since this is a novel idea back in 2009. However, the author has still conducted some research on various different technologies, such as accelerometer, gesture control for the best modality, to prove that the interaction modality is the best for this type of research. And one of this paper is accelerometer-based gesture control for a design environment. And here are the authors. It uses 2 user case studies to prove that gesture control is the best modality. Here are some of the characteristics of the data collected. So the volume is large and complex, since the data collected are from sensors, and they can range from megabytes to several gigabytes based on durations and frequency. Since different sensors have been used, the data is highly heterogeneous when it comes to variety. The data collected is often in real time or near real time, hence the velocity is real time, and the data passes through high frequency. When it comes to veracity, there are still some inaccuracies in sensors, missing data and outliers, so data needs to be pre-processed as told in the previous section. When it comes to value, it can be described as a high scientific value for pattern detections in animals. The spatial dimensionality is 3D, as shown in the picture on the right hand side. The data types are multivariate. Here are some of the analysis techniques. Time series plots to visualize changes in location, speed, and directions. Scatter plots for a relationship between variables, features. Heat maps to analyze spatial distribution in the map of the animals. Trajectory plots and maps to visualize paths over time taken by the animals. So for evaluation techniques, several case studies have been used to demonstrate the effectiveness of the visualization framework when it comes to help researchers gain insight into animal behavior. For performance metrics, scalability, usability, accuracy help report on the limitation and trade-offs of the approach, and they can help us to recommend for future research. For comparative evaluations, it compares the other existing approaches with the current framework.